Hey, you know what 2021's all about? It's all about celebrating everything. This is a platter from that beloved brand Temp tations. 20 million sets of this global brand have been bought over the years, 19 years to be specific. And this platter was introduced on June 13th, and it has already been wildly popular. It is customer top rated, and that sentiment of celebrate everything is front and center. But the price and those 5 easy pays on it are gone at the end of the day. There is no reorder on this. This was a very special limited edition 16-inch celebration platter. The colors are as follows. Here at the end of the table, we have it showcased in red. I want you to think holidays. I want you to think going over to someone's house and leaving this as a gift. Right here, that's that beautiful purple color that clearly I am matching today. This is the lavender. This is the gray. The one right next to it is taupe. I have 4,000 for you in taupe. And then at the very end, I've got slate blue. 2,000 remaining there. 5 easy payments. Tara, I had to hold on to the table when I saw this. 5 easy payments of $4.05. And this is your signature stoneware. This is capable of so much.
Absolutely. It still goes in the oven up to 500 degrees. So if you think about your serving platter, can that go in the oven up to 500 degrees?
Nope.
You can put it in the fridge. You can put it in the freezer. It goes in the microwave. But the sentiment was really what this was all about. We shared with you earlier a giving plate, and it was wildly popular. And it reminded me that sometimes we just need something to celebrate, whether it's a little thing, a big thing, whether it's just the fact that you made something to eat instead of doing takeout. These are those simple things that we can do. This is completely embossed. What does that mean? It means that it's sculptural, it's textural. You can see it. It runs around the edges, it's fluted, and it's 16 inches. So it still holds up to about a 15-pound ham. So I love what you were saying.
Wow.
Think about this for the holidays. Think about this for gifting. If you know someone where you just want to say, hey, you know what? After the year we've had or the year you've had, let's find a reason to celebrate. This is our brand new color, Mary. I'm not sure if you've even seen it, which is that slate blue.
Obsessed.
But whether you're doing hot things or cold things, look at this beautiful kind of fruit cake that we did, where we took the watermelon, some grapes, some strawberries, put that in the fridge. It'll stay nice and cold. This is what it's all about.
Are you ready? I was just, by the way, a lot of Mary forehead in your living room. Terribly
I was like,
sorry.
are you yelling at me?
Wait, Tara, Jonathan was just saying in my ear, the slate blue, I now have 6 dozen remaining in the slate blue. Wow. That was not just a dramatic pause. That was me trying to get my brain together. Here it is in taupe. 3,800 in taupe. Here's the gray. Fewer than 2,000 in the gray. Here is that beautiful lavender. 1,700 there. And then up top on the table, the red is very popular right now. Fewer than 400 to go around. Tara, yes, I was absolutely screaming in exuberance. But we had cupcakes on the table here that we got at the grocery store, and I just popped them onto the platter. Look how pretty they are now and ready for presenting. No one would ever know that we bought these at the store.
That's right. And I have Jimmy the Baker crumb cakes. Let me just have a moment with Jimmy the Baker
yes,
crumb
please.
cakes. Okay.
Yes, please.
I already voted. Best food, best dessert, best everything. Get it over here. But look how beautiful taking something right out of the box, something as delicious as his crumb cakes, and putting them on that serving platter. You could have heated that serving platter ahead of time. And look how gorgeous all of that looked versus again, the plate that we originally had it on.
Tara, the slate blue is gone. I'm going to bring Kyle out here.
Oh,
this is Kyle's 5th week with QVC. Just like to get him on camera
Hi,
as often
Kyle.
as I can. The red is going to be the next to go. We just have a couple hundred left in red. That's the one over my shoulder on the table there. Just a couple hundred left there underneath, directly on the table in front of it. Thank you, guys. There's the lavender. Then we have it in gray right next door, and then we have it in taupe. You know, Tara has been a dear friend of mine for many years here at QVC. She is incredibly smart. She's an amazing entrepreneur, but she also reads every single comment that you share with her on social media. And she has more than 500,000 followers on her platforms. She reads what you say. And so when it comes to that sentiment of celebrate everything that you see in the center of the platter, that really was an overwhelming message that was shared with me, with her, with all of us here at QVC. You know, Tara, I recently was at the beach for QVC Beach Week, and I ran into a beautiful woman named Adele. And she said, even in a time when I knew that I couldn't hug anyone, QVC was live and there to hold my hand. And I just thought, that is why we celebrate everything right now, because these are the moments. These are the ones we waited for. These were the times that we counted down to. And maybe you're looking at someone right now, Tara, that could just use a little uplift for $20.25 in total. That's a great reason to shop today.
Absolutely. And
Red's
the
gone.
Workmanship and the detail, all of those beautiful things, like Adele said, I love that. I think we've all kind of felt that way, right? We've all found just little pockets of happy and reasons to celebrate. And that's why this was so passionate. I love that we kicked it off during QVC's birthday week. But look what we did here, Mary. We came out with beautiful roasted potatoes. So as gorgeous as the sentiment is, it's still so versatile. The fact that this goes in the oven up to 500 degrees. You can literally bake cookies on here if you wanted to, broil on here if you wanted to, or you could serve something just as delicate as that beautiful cake fruit salad. This is just such what our brand is all about. Our brand is truly all about finding those little moments where we can all celebrate, where whether it's getting family around the table or it's just you and you want to do something special for yourself. Let's find a reason. Let's hashtag that. To celebrate everything.
Hashtag celebrate everything. You know what? If you want to go straight up, I need a fried basket. Put it right there on your plate. Onion rings, mozzarella sticks, chicken wing. I mean, how about a beautiful charcuterie plate? Use your platter for charcuterie. This platter, to give you specific dimensions, 16 inches long, 11 1/8 inches wide in the other direction, and then we have it at 1 1/8 inches deep. But it's got a great bowl to it, so you could even put pasta with a great sauce on there if you wanted to. There is no reorder on it. It is customer top rated. The price and those 5 easy payments are gone at the end of the day. We started our presentation with 6 colors. We are down to 3. I moved our lavender color up top to our tables so that you could see that beautiful shade. 1,400 remain in lavender. This lavender would be great for springtime, but also it's great for a pop of color on your table if you do a lot of gray in the holiday season. This is your gray. Speaking of, we have 1,500 in the gray remaining. This is beautiful for gifting because it will match a lot of different folks' decor. And then that taupe. Oh, I love that taupe too. There's 3,600 in the taupe. Beautiful neutrals. More than 2,000 have been ordered. And know that when it's gone, it is gone. Because this, as it says in the title, was a limited edition find. Tara, thank you for helping us celebrate everything.
Of course. Thank you, Mary. And great to see you and great to be here, everybody.
Great to see you too. You know, we had a lot of good offers from Tara in the show today, including her skillet that was on earlier in the show. So